tell your ex-wife, say make you carry your children, run away from you. Why you can't be saying at me, you say you want to pay people for waiting you use your hand take cost for yourself. Why you can't be saying at me, I'm an innocent baby, now you want to pay. You tell George, you don't fear, you say make George collect my baby from my hands. They really carry the baby. Felice Ozidede, I know you before. The document where you want to say when me give you. Now you give me document. Now you give me document. Now you give me document. I be the house where you say when me give you. Now your papa now your papa for grave. Now give me the house. I be now your mama for grave. Now give me the house. The house where you say when me put your name, when me remove my son name and put your son name so that when you be the owner of my house. As if for waiting. How me go remove my son name and put your son name, say may you be my own, may you come be the owner of my house. Only you want. Now you go still carry friends. You go pack friends come my house. Without say you not go tell me. If me ask you, go begin call they threaten me with a Arubaga. Now so I go do you this. Now so you go do me that. Felice Ozidede, if I go not punish you today, if you not die today, my God, go take your children one by one. My God, your children, your 3 children, be 4 children, be now 5 children you get. They go bury them one by one this year. You go begin to bury them one by one this year. If you not bury one, if you not bury all your children this year, you go not say my name not be Kate. Me not be Kate. If you not bury your children this year, you go not say me not be Kate. You hear me so? You go not say my name not be Kate. If you not bury your children one by one this year, if those your 4 children not die, or be 5 children not die for your eye this year, you gonna say me, I don't be wicked. She be sabi judge, you sabi defend, you sabi show take, you see prove, I get this, I get that. You will be say they even they find for Italy. You will be say then the Italy they find you for the 21 prison, the 21 years in prison where you get for grant for Italy there. They even they find you for Italy. Now you call France, you can say na me. Now you want to use this show for France. My dear, I go worry you till your grave. If you not go your grave, if they not bury you, I no go rest. I no go rest. For today go, I don't be your nightmare. I don't be your nightmare. Me, I don't become your dream. I go make sure say, you see this idiot. This mogo. Okay, they carry the baby come out from my hand. You still say now let me one. No be your blood. Ha! Now let me want burner. I still be your blood now. But you mumu rich. You mumu rich because of documents. Because of your documents. Because of 65 euros. I mean 66 euros. Where there they give the baby where they say the money even they reach me even take they buy pampers for a week. Now it make you say make government carry the baby. Say you better say where the baby there for government hand. That say the baby go there my hand. You see your life? And that baby, that innocent baby, that innocent baby, its tears go there your head. He go there your head. That innocent baby go worry you. He go also worry the children where you there for born. All those your children go die one by one. That one there for government hand. Now government carry on, you don't go die. But your own children go die for your eye. All of them go die for your eye one by one. Better. See you they pretend saying I saw you clean. Where you tell they carry they call. If you house where you not get where they say you know they pay us rent. You know they pay the light bill. You know they pay the gas bill. You know even they contribute anything for the house. I pick you for dustbin. I pick you like a junkie. Put you for my house. Bath you. Finish. Feed you. Finish. Because they waited to pay me back. Now government will take my blood away from me. You go suffer. You go suffer. You. Felice, you go suffer. You see, say for that swear where the rest first women don't first swear for you if they worry you will be saying, oh your body full of sweetie like this wait you carry HIV. Now so man. And Nigerian man for that matter go even say you want bath. And Nigerian man for that matter go say you want bath. He go carry water go they pour and put for body. Come out to use sponge. He go take bath. You know they use sponge. Since women not fairly so the for since 1 year now, that man never use sponge. She take touch his body. He never bath with sponge. Now so go you enter bedroom, you go turn water put for body, go come up for bedroom. You carry towel, my white towel, take me body, I say my white towel, they go put her for erosion. They go just like go go dry erosion. You know they share for all those things. You know they share. Only you want your body full of sweetie. It be like person made the throw medicine give for your baba things where they do. But the one when me go do you now, you go pass that sweetie. HIV go enter you and you go die slowly. That time you go beg for that, you not go see. You go there for this world, you go to suffer. You go suffer. You go even they beg God, say God I beg take my life. God no go green. God, because he must allow you to suffer with you cause for yourself. You made they take away my 3 months old, my 2 months old baby. 2 months, just 2 months old. 2 months old. You said, God, they take away from me. You see me? I blame myself. Way. I regret the reason why. The very first day I know you, if I see you for face, I swear, I don't care to even not go to that prison where you always want me to go. That prison where you always want me to go. I don't care now to not go. But your life, for today go a day danger. I blame myself. You see, say for the court, the judge even still they blame me. The judge they blame me. How can me open my eye and born for that kind man? When me not say the baby, if me born now, the baby not go stay with me. When me go born for this kind man, when me not say if me born for the baby, if me born the baby not go stay with me. This man like they take away my baby of 2 months old. Wait till you want get for all these things where you do. Because of documents. Now me want to give you document after 29 years in Europe. Land you not get for Africa. If you come on land, you not get money bank, you not get for Africa. If you house, you not get for Africa. After 29 years in Europe, close it to 30. And how many age you day? How many age you dey? Not be 47. You want complete now. 47 old man. Now him say me they take away 2 months old baby. Government. They want me. Now what did the judge still tell me? Now me cause this thing for myself. You know why? Because why? When me take born that baby for hospital, when you take hospital, cause they make problem with me, say I not put your name for the baby. They come tell me say, may this baby for they save with me. May they carry me and the baby go for a year. They no say me get house. Me come say no, me not they go for a year. Okay, they come still reason and say me they were for France. Maybe not because say as I they when I make me say me no want for a year. Okay, they go still beg me. Okay, they want go rent one room and parlor for me when me day with my baby. I say no. Say I no agree because I don't already get my whole house. When me I where they can't want me. Okay, they go leave this baby for you. When you want condition, you know why? Because they see the way you take care of this baby. They see the way you take care of this baby. Because of this reason, they go allow me go my house with my baby. Because the man tell they say me they collect this baby from my hand for hospital. May they not allow me come out with this baby for hospital. When they collect the baby from my hand, for the very day the baby was born, say me they collect her from my hand for hospital. Based on say hospital, they not be that kind of bad people. They not see anything, say I do anything bad. Where he go make the collect my baby. Now so they got to change my room. I don't know say information. This man don't give the information. They will lie. He said me no fit take care of my baby. Say me no go fit take care of my baby. Oh, say me they collect the baby from my hand for hospital. Why? Because the son not put in name. He sent me voice record that very day. Promise me he with his useless brother where they call Peter for Nigeria. Peter was the way I see that go kill for Nigeria. Where that Peter, whether Peter be named Peter was the they go that guy. I see that for Nigeria there. That man no go pass. That your brother no go pass this year. Now see they go kill him. That one never do. I got surprised say they come meet me. They say they need to change my room. Now I ask they say why. They say they get why because why the way this man they behave, then they fear say make this man not call you this baby, make you not call kid the innocent baby. Because the way the man they push the baby made they just newborn. Baby will never reach 30 minutes where they born. If you see the way this man they carry that baby, freak out your way. If they drag. He carry baby for nurse hand. He push the baby away. He they drag paper for nurse hand. Say you want check on whether I name day, whether I name day. If they tell us say since not be name day, say me nurse go remove my son name. Not be say me not put in name now. Another man name I put my son name. Because why? The time I get belly, this man leave me. He abandoned me. After 8 months, I want born. This man got to come back. And that time, France don't reject and say, then don't work for their country. Again. Now I got to come back. I don't know say I document. Can I come back? Oh, now later, we got to do all those things. Now me tell us, I say, why you go to behave all these kind of things? You want to me to take this baby from her? Now you go to tell me, say, France not give her paper. Say, France reject her. Say, France ask her to come up for their country because they don't give her paper. He not get document. Now me tell France say me they not give you document. Now me tell you, may you they pack people come for the foyer where they put you. You they pack people from Italy they come. Say make them they pay you 50 euro. May where you take they carry they come. You they collect money for people hands. And you want to say make the government give you documents. As they want to give you the documents. Where can be say you they do traffic some things for their country. They never do you. They call say when me come up for the room. They want to change my room. And really, they can't really carry me come up for the room. I don't know say the room where they go put me camera there. I don't know say camera there for the room where they carry me go. So they can't need to ban this man. So make you not come for hospital again. Or see me go come up for hospital. Make this man not come hospital again. Say if he come, if they see and they go call police for him. Really? He go come. They not go grease and make him enter. They go drive him. He go back. The place where they put me, I don't know say camera deal. Now after a week, I spent almost about a good week. Almost close to 2 weeks. Now me when they go for hospital, before hospital call release me to come out. They can't tell me say when me come out with my baby. Hey, the day when me come out for hospital, now that day me no say that room where they put me and my baby, say camera dead there. I surprised say the oga, their own manager for the hospital come by himself. Call they wish me well, they pray for me. They tell me say he pray say when me jama, where you go fit join me take care of my baby. Say the father of my baby is a very bad person. Say the man tell they say me no fit take care of my baby. Say me they collect the baby from my hand. He tell they say me not go fit take care of my baby. Say maybe collect the baby from my hands. So because of say they not get any proof when they want to collect the baby, now me Come carry me come this room. Now so the woman come take point and go up. He say when me look up. Now me call look. I see say camera did there. Now I say wow. So when I carry me, when I put me for where camera they sees. Since so why? Now they call they explain to me. See the reason why. And the reason why they put me for that room. They don't monitor me. They don't investigate me. They see say me not be that kind of person where the man tell them say I be. Say but they go tell me say when me go for a year with my baby go stay for a year. Even if say I get house I dey well just for the protection of my baby. Say because the man not want this baby. Wait this man want now document. Then don't see him. Say the man not want the baby. Now I know they go for here. They call say okay, maybe they still go rent one room and beg one room and parlor for me. Saying but me no go pay. Oh, I no go they pay now. Then go they pay for me. I call say no. How me go there? Me go still they pay my own house rent. My own house rent when me they pay for a month. And they pay 800 euro. Why government? Why government they support me with 400 euro? Why everything can be 1,200 euro? When me they pay every month for my own house? This man never support me one day. Pay my rent. But he go there my house, he go they carry friends, they come without saying no go even take permission from me. He go they carry friends, they pack, they come my house. They come, they pack, come. I caught her this and they go to the house. I prefer to stay in my house. I don't know say the house. When we go stay, my baby not go there with me again. Which house? Now wake up, mate, go carry the house because I don't want again. I don't want this house again. Make they go carry the house. Me no want again. I don't want their house again. I don't want again. As I come out from hospital, they come warn me. They say they go only leave me go for one condition. Gay. Say that condition. They no want see this man close to my baby. If they see him close to my baby, they go collect the baby from my hand. And then I cut it and say, okay, I don't hear. And really, I can't take their word because I don't want to say make they collect this baby from my hand. I know what. Now this useless man called they call my old brother for Italy. They tell my brother, say my brother beg me. Say when me just allow him to call they visit the baby, just to see the baby for face. After some months, after 1 month, now I could say allow this man. This man don't come for many times for my house. I don't go open door for him. He go. He don't come many times. I don't go open door for him. He go because the government don't want me to say. If they see this man close to my baby, they go collect that baby from my hand. When I see say, ask Percy, tell they use goods, tell they kill safe. For this life, he no good. Say me you, they do good, oh. He no good. I don't kill myself with my good. I use the good. I use and take kill myself. See now, I use and take suffer innocent baby, small baby for that matter. He can't get one day where this man can come. That say he pressing my bell. As me not do answer him, he can't begin to disturb all my labor. They disturb all my labor. They press all my own labor door. Now they call you say, one woman they knock they knock my door. Now me call go open door for her. Now they tell me say, he get that man, he get one time where he always they come call they meet me for a house. Say the man they press it bell. Say when me ask the man why the man they press it bell. Really, I could come out. I come meet and say, why you go they press my labor bell? No, they disturb my labor. Again. Now because they beg me. Say why just see baby. Let me allow him see baby. Oh, see me now. I can't really allow this man see this baby. Make this man can't go. Over since then, this man not really leave my house again. I don't know, say this street, he not get where to stay. He well, let's they post picture. They do like say life they wear for her. He not get house. He not get anything. After 29 years in Europe, oh, he not get anything. Nothing get. House for Nigeria, he not get. Land for Nigeria, he not get. Nothing he get for account. If you say shoe where they wear, if you put that shoe for your present, you go fight. Shoe where be say crazy person no go even feel wear. Now they wear. Make this man come up from my house. He no agree. Till that day where the matter happen. I not talk bad. Now he carry his friend come my house, even when he know say government bad and say make you know they come my house, call they see my baby. He still carry his friends come, he call the shot for my back hole. Now me take on me can say, why you go to make noise for my back hole? And you know say government banned you, and maybe government just still tell my labor, say make them they watch, make them they monitor me, whether they go see you around this my house. No, they make noise for my back hole. No, they disturb my labor. And your friends, where you they carry the call, you know say government banned you, but I allow you to call the see your baby because of say may God not say I call they do bad things. They make me. Even when me say I allow this man to call the see baby, common food you know fit buy, pampers you know fit buy. I be the only one way be say I go buy pampers, I go buy food. Now me go buy clothes. For your present, now I carry 400 euro come out. I carry go supermarket, carry go boutique. I use Zante do shopping for my own baby. Still buy food. Nothing when he did. He get one day where the baby want to take injection, and me don't already pay my house rent. As friends, they tell me to get belle, say I no fit work. And me, I know the work, and my chômage don't finish. So government not gonna pay me again. I no fit pay my house rent. I could get bill of 1,800 for grant. For this my present, now me tell the fine me want to pay. I mean want to pay my bill. For your present, now you're not that man. For send me that money, when me take pay my bill 1,800, why he still dey inside the house? The man never even come the house one day. The man never see me for eye one day. The man never come my own house one day. After I don't pay all this bill finish, this baby my own baby want go take vaccine, and the vaccine now 100 euro, and he may never dey for my hospital card. So, I need to buy the vaccine, 100 euro. I also buy the medicine, when me go later give after the vaccine. Everything come be almost about 180 euro. 80 euro. Now let me buy the vaccine, still go buy this medicine. I not do bad thing. Now I tell this man, say, what is the need? Say you just dey here. I nothing where you they do. Now me go feed you. Now me go see if they feed your baby. Now me go see if they pay my rent. So, may you go work, not be to just go give hotel. You go come out. You go come out around 6. Go give hotel the money. Come back around 9 o'clock in the night. You go there. You go drink. You go smoke. And if everybody for there go begin to fear you, because everybody forgive. All of them don't let me know, say, babe, as this country happen to you, you know, say we not go talk to the man. The man, they like to fight. Where? If they like to beat people, they like to they threaten people life. Where? So I beg, may you take heart. You see? Now, what me ask her? How let me want go till they do all those things? It's better say me you just dey for your home. Just go your house. Now this man begin start to. Now he begin they break everything from my house. He begin to break everything from my house. Now so this man carry mirror. He hit her for his head. He break the mirror for his head. Now police come. This man tell police and me break the thing for his head. He as the thing break finish, he carry the pieces. He use her tell mark his belly. He tell police and me one. He tell me say the police must collect this baby today from my hand. Say na he make her come. He come here to come finish his mission. Say because he wants to make this baby go for government hand. He not go fit there alive. Say another man go come cause they take care of his baby. Say once away the baby go for government hand. Now this one take up problem. Police call come. The baby they call carry the baby. Today now I go the court of my baby. Judge, biggie judge. This man tell judge. They ask and say, wait till you want to say make the baby be now. You want to say make they give the baby to your mother to your mother? He say no, say make they not give me. Say make they keep on. Make they keep on for where he dey. Say because if they give me the baby, say me go kill her. Me go kill the baby enemy. He said me go kill my own baby when me born, when me carry for good 9 months born. He said me go kill my baby with my 2 hands. He tell judge, say me start back for your eye. Something wey happen since last year wey be say na even put me for prison. He don't say where this man they try to put me for prison. This man pack people come my house. He go tell police and I me pack the people, na me carry the people for all the way from Nigeria come here. Say me they call the do how they pay me. And so lucky now, all those people call they here. They never come out that time. Now the people as police come boss they boss my ass. Early morning enter my ass. Say Felix Ozide they call they say I they do drug business. And me still they do human trafficking. Say whether all those people where they dey my ass, whether not be me carry they come. Say whether all of them know they pay me. Whether not all of them know they pay me. I was so shocked. If you see what the police do me that day, I had this belly to come. That period they won't carry me go prison. The policeman tell me say na 5 years prison. I me they go for the traffic, drug traffic and human trafficking. What me never do for my life since I was born. Like this man accused me of. So lucky. The people when he tell Ogba say na me carry con say then they pay me. They call they one of them even they watch me. Favor they watch me. I will say not be favor. I boyfriend. Even tell Ogba say me never know themselves. I never know them. Now Ozide they carry they come my house. Without saying never tell me. Me no know them. Now help I give. As the carry they come my house, say based on say the Ozide the landlord the don't portion come off for her because he not fit pay landlord 1,800 when the whole landlord called driver come out. Then all these guys called there for streets. Now this man still go pack they come my house and never still refuse. I call help them because of one for his side. Favor because the girl is very nice. Now me cut her allow they stay my house. Now this man come out, go talk back say I carry people come. The people who dey my house, then they pay me. He talk back say me they do drug business. Traffic drug and human trafficking. Now me they do. Really, the Ogbas, they call him Mumu come, they call Tom and Hasosada. They ever sees them a favor document. They say me, they call me there for station around 2. That was last year, Last year. They call seize the all of the documents. Say me, they call me there for around 2 for station to call talk whether I me really carry the come. Because the owner of the house where then they say the girl they go prison tomorrow morning after court. There they carry her, they go prison for 5 years. Say if they not come for that around 2 o'clock, if they not come, then go come back to this house. If they come, they go pack all of them and they go deport all of them, go Nigeria. And really, those girls already come for station. Now they said me. They called me police, no say me no even know them. Now this man, I carry them come my house. Shebe is a big committee. Me small picky, 26 years old girl, like me. Now you say you want to suffer. 47 years old man. If they follow small picky of 26 years, they hold ground for Europe. He say, now me want you state pay for what yes wife do. Yes wife do to her. You good to her, now make her say leave you. Not be you divorce am because of one girl. Because of one girl, old girl. Old girl to not be make you divorce the woman with four children. Not be make her he carry children run away from you. Now me tell her say make you divorce you. And then I me tell you say may you go. Now me be that girl for Italy make it tell you say may you divorce your wife with 4 children. Why can't you say na me because you want people? Not just only me one. My innocent baby. My 2 months old baby. Government collect her. You say me government collect that baby from my hand. And you think say you don't go free. My dear, you not go free. Now your life dey danger. Now you put yourself in danger because the one way me go do you. The one way me go do you, I will make this life, it go top of your head. That time you go to beg God, say, God, I beg, kill me, take my life. And God not go take your life. Better. Should they follow me the challenge? Person where you know say, when it comes to say use money, fight each other, you can never fight with me. With money. Or when they talk about documents, you can never fight with me. Or when they can't even talk about house, you can never fight with me. When they can't even talk say travel, go Africa and really go and show your power there, my dear. If me buy ticket today for your own matter, say me want travel go Africa, I'll go there, I'll come back because passports and documents in my hand. When I go there, when I go there, you see those your old children. Say where you say you get, you say you not care for this one will be this baby of me. You say, may government take them because you already don't get 4 children, be 5 children. I go make sure all of them go down before me go come back. I'll make sure say you bury them before 90 days, December, before me go come back to this Europe. Oh yes, after that one, after you don't bury your old children finish one by one, after them don't complete, finish, they don't die finish, it go be your turn. I go make sure say you suffer. I go put suffer in your life. You go suffer, you go, in fact, you go become I go make sure say I push, I go make sure say you go run, I go make you run mad there, You go run mad. You go to beg for God. Say, God, come and take my life. God no go clean. Now wait me go to you. You take one thing away from me, You take one thing away from me. But me will take 10. I go take 10 away from you. Better. I go make sure I take 10 away from you. And after then, the same me will still go to Italy. I go and report you. Now the police people know say you, they France. And at the same business, now you still they do for France. Make the contact France. Better. You shall see. Shebi is a bit. Shebi is a bit, George. Shebi is a bit, you. Yeah, your brother, guy, his brother self even still call me, call they threaten me, oh. His brother even still call they threaten me. My brother don't never use one day to threaten you. My own brother, where you even still call yesterday, send a message, begin the beg and say, make he help her, make he help you beg his sister, say, if una reach court, make he tell court, make he tell judge, say, me and you know the quarrel again. The same brother where you tell, and the same brother where you go tell judge, say, my brother, they threaten you. Wait till you want to give all those things where you did do. My brother now your mate. Not be your mate, oh. You see on and go far, that one true. Age. You see on and go far. That one true. 45 years old. My old brother is 30 something years. 47 years old.